The BOI e-filing system supports the electronic filing of the Beneficial Ownership Information Report, or BOIR, under the Corporate Transparency Act, or CTA. The CTA requires certain types of U.S. and foreign entities to report beneficial ownership information to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, or FinCEN, a bureau of the U.S. Department of the Treasury. This demonstration has general guidelines. They are not all-inclusive. This demonstration was created for informational purposes only. Every situation is different. Please visit the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network or contact your CPA or accountant if any questions arise. Any information provided in this video is for information purposes only, and Brass Drum Media or any of its affiliates are not responsible for any errors or omissions or the results obtained from the use of this information. There are new federal requirements for beneficial ownership of 25% or more, either direct or indirect, regarding reporting about owners and controlling persons of business entities effective January 1st, 2024. Here are a few guidelines. They are not all-inclusive. Reportable business entities. Any business entities registered with the Secretary of State or any similar office, which generally includes C corporations, S corporations, LLCs, LLB limited partnerships, and certain trusts. There are 21 exemptions, but it is more than likely your business entities are not exempt, because there are very specific requirements you must meet to be exempt. Due dates to file. If the reportable business entities were formed on or before December 31st, 2023, the due date is until January 1st, 2025. If the reportable business entities were formed on or after January 1st, 2024, the due date is within 90 days after the effective date of creation. If the reportable business entities formed on or after January 1st, 2025, the due date is within 30 days after the effective date of creation. If anything changes from the previous filed report, the due date for the correction is within 30 days of the change or discovery of the inaccuracy. How to file. You must file electronically. There are no other options. Go to the FinCEN website. See the link in the description below. Once the process is complete, you will receive the report for successful filing. What you will need to file electronically: business entity information such as legal name, business address, tax ID, etc. Your personal identification information such as legal name, date of birth, current home address, tax ID, etc. You will also need a current driver's license, passport, etc. If the business entities were formed after January 1st, 2024, you also need the company applicant information. Penalties for failure to comply include fines of $500 per day up to $10,000 and imprisonment for up to 10 years. The process is simple, and once you have filed, you don't have to report again unless there are any changes. However, the penalties are very severe for not complying. If you want to know more about the BOI reporting, the FinCEN website has a help and resources page. See the link below in the description. Next, we will view a demonstration of how to file.
In this demonstration, we'll show you an example of how to file a BOIR. Please note, this demonstration was created for informational purposes only. Every situation is different. Please visit the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network or contact your CPA or accountant if any questions arise. To get started, go to the FinCEN website and click on the button File BOIR. On this page, you will be selecting the filing method that works best for you. In this demonstration, we'll be selecting File Online BOIR. To start the process, under Filing Information, item number 1, you will need to select the type of filing. Here, we are going to select Initial Report. The date prepared field will be autofilled for you. Please note, anything with a red asterisk is a required field or selection. All other selections or fields may be skipped based on your situation. Remember, every situation is different. Clicking Next will bring you to the Reporting Company section. On this page, Reporting Company, checkbox number 3, Request to receive FinCEN ID. Then, under Legal Name and Alternative Names, you will need to enter your reporting company's legal name, number 5, exactly how you have it registered with the Secretary of State. Scroll down, and under Form of Identification, you will need to select your tax identification type, number 7, from the pull-down menu. In this demonstration, we will select EIN. Enter your EIN in the Tax Identification Number field, number 8. Scroll down further to the next section, Jurisdiction of Formation or First Registration, and select your country/jurisdiction of formation from the pull-down menu, number 10. In this demonstration, we will select United States of America. Just below this, you'll see a section called Current U.S. Address. Here you will fill out your address, city, U.S. or U.S. territory, state, and zip code numbers 11 through 15. When you are finished with this section, click the Next button to bring you to the Company Applicants section. In the Company Applicants section, it is important to click on the Need Help arrow to understand the next steps. In this example, because the company was registered before January 1st, 2024, it is not required to report any company applicants, and we will proceed to Part 3. Click on Existing Reporting Company, number 16. By clicking on Existing Reporting Company, number 16, you'll see a pop-up box. Here we will select Yes, and the pop-up box will disappear. Select the Next button to go to Part 3. When on Part 3, Beneficial Owners, read the help text above number 36. If you do not have a FinCEN ID, skip this field. However, the owner must provide information for field numbers 37 through 51. Just below, under Legal Name and Date of Birth, fill out number 38, individual's last name or entity's legal name. Number 39, first name, and number 42, date of birth. Scroll down further to get to the section Residential Address. Here, fill out number 43, address, number 44, city, number 45, country, number 46, state, and number 47, zip code. Directly below in the section Form Identification and Issuing Jurisdiction, number 48. From the pull-down menu, select ID type. Fill out number 49, Identifying Document Number, number 50, Country and State, and number 51, Identifying Document Image. On number 51, upload a supported image. You can either drag or select Choose from Folder. Then navigate to your document file. When you have completed this section, click the Next button to complete the filing process. In this last section, fill out your email, type it again to confirm, first and last name, and click the Agree button. Make sure you select the HCAPTCHA box. This will go through the process of verifying you are a human. Once you verify you are a human, click the Submit BOIR button. After submitting your online BOIR, you'll see a confirmation page that gives you the status of your filing, submission tracking ID, and a button to download your transcript. It is highly recommended that you download this file for your records. This concludes the Submitting a Beneficial Ownership Information Report filing demonstration.
Thank you for watching this demonstration. This demonstration was created for informational purposes only. Every situation is different. Please visit the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network or contact your CPA or accountant if any questions arise.